how to delete all Google Photos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all your Google Photos at once on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Photos app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just tap and hold on the photo or video to start selecting. And here, once you do that, you can simply drag your finger across multiple photos to select them, and you can also use the check mark option at the top to select multiple items. And with that, you can also go to the very bottom of the photo, and from there you can start doing the same thing. And here, once you're done selecting all the photos on this app, then here what you can do is you can just tap on the bin option, which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you can confirm by tapping on delete again. And once you do that, the photos will be deleted from the Google Photos app. And that's it. That's how you can delete all Google Photos at once. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.